And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and hopefully making money doing all those things. So this is also serves as my trading journal. So it's you're going to see daily trades and stuff like that, and you're going to see me winning trades. You're going to see me losing trades, and you're going to see me doing what traders do. Hopefully I'll become a successful trader as we go. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the risk disclaimer screen. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I'm also an aspiring funded trader with Audacity Capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. At this time, I have held NFA registration in the past. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain loss of some or all of your investment capital. So with that, let's go ahead and get into what happened yesterday. I need to bring that screen up real quick. Bear with me for just a sec. Usually I leave all these windows open, but the computer shut down on me last night. Okay, so this is what's going on today. We have core PPI, producer price index today. CPI came out rather flat yesterday, so we did not see any perk up in inflation yesterday. As a matter of fact, core CPI went down, which is very interesting. We'll see. I would expect core PPI to go up a little bit, but hey, let's see what happens. I will not be trading this today. I'll be at my day job. Trading it yesterday did not really go that well for me. I made a comeback on it, but it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. Did not really play the way I wanted it to. So we are. I finally got an email from Audacity Capital yesterday saying that I had beat the challenge. It's not the screen I want. That's the screen I want. Saying that I had my targets have been achieved in my previous prop trading challenge. So we're moving on to a new account. I'm waiting for them to start that new account now, and then we'll see if that's funded or not. And I may slip into another funded account in the meantime between now and then. Not today, but maybe the next couple of weeks, maybe. So let's see what's going on with this now. We have silver. We don't want that yet. We want DXY. Here's DXY. The dollar index is just kind of limping around, not really going anywhere too quickly. That's the 4-hour chart. We don't want that. We want the daily chart because we're not looking for an entry on that because it's awfully hard to trade that, considering it's. I think you'd have to trade that with a futures contract instead of anything else, and I'm not doing that yet. Maybe one day, but not right now. Right now, it is sitting right at 99.09, which is very good support level for it. We'll see if that holds. Might PPI today may drop it. So we'll see what happens after that. We are expecting a weakening dollar. The way James Stanley puts it is that it's easy in 2025. It was easy to be a bullish on USD, and this year it's easy to be bearish on USD. But we're also going to keep an eye out for that surprise bull market. Dollar versus the yen. Seeing that come down a little bit. So it just seems to be hovering right at 116.5. Not really going anywhere. Not worth trading right now. Not worth the risk. USD, JPY is pulled back to this support level right here, this resistance line. Or is it a support line? Which one is it? Because right now it's hard to tell. Is it going to stay above this line, or is it going to go down below this line? Trend lines tend to be subjective. However, that one's got 4 touches on it, so that means it's pretty much confirmed. So we're not going to worry about that one. We are expecting a higher USD JPY due to weakness of the yen. I don't have that one up. Let's see what's going on with that. Currency strength meter. Baby Pips, by the way, has an outstanding platform called Market Milk. I'd highly recommend you check that out if you haven't already. Is it going to go through all those questions? Nope. JPY today is the highest. The yen is the highest, and we're right now in the middle of the London session right now. And the dollar is one of the weakest, and the Great British Pound is right there. It's also one of the strongest. How about that? So we're seeing. That's what we're seeing. The the pound yen come down. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. So with this, we're expecting it to go higher. It did hit touch 159 last night, but remember it's got this weekly high close right there at 160.89. We don't have much room to go before it starts breaking out all at pretty much all-time highs for all-time within recent history. Pound versus the yen within recent tradable history. Who knows? Maybe a long time ago. It was weaker. The yen was weaker against the dollar. Let's see. Pound versus the yen. Pound versus the dollar. On dollar weakness, I've heard that you want to trade this more than the euros. Euro's just not going anywhere. I don't know what's going on with that. But the pound versus the yen, I would definitely consider that if you're going to trade a weaker dollar. Right now, it's not happening, but it could be happening a little bit later on or early next week. We also have British, what is the GDP coming out tomorrow? So we want to be cautious of that and be wary that the pound pairs could reverse on us at any given moment with a weaker or stronger than usual GDP. We'll see how that plays out tomorrow. That'll be done by the time I'm in the office tomorrow for my daily video tomorrow. I think it's 2 a.m. that comes out, our time. Yeah, 2 a.m. What's that? Unemployment rate? Oh, look at that, double whammy. Oh, no, never mind, it's 5 days later. Let's see, pound versus the yen. Hit as high as 214. 214.31. I was trying to trade this a little bit last night and then saw the pullback, so I stopped trading it last night. Need to probably move some trades down or figure out what's going on, because that is a doji. If that doji continues on the daily chart, then that means it's a strong chance we're going to have a reversal right there. So that is a possibility, because that is a definite evening star, I guess, or dragonfly emoji, doji. I'm not sure. At any rate, it looks like a reversal candle to me. Euro versus the yen. Again, didn't really break out much at all against the yen yesterday. Got a high right there, 185 and a half. Again, that may be an all-time high, but that is not. The euro's just not going anywhere right now. I don't know why. Well, we got to do economic weakness in the European Union. All right, dollar versus the Canadian. Not a whole lot going on here. It's starting to pull back from its run and seeking support right there at 138.82. That's right at weekly bullish invalidation. So anything below that, we're going to be looking more at a more bear market. If we get a weekly close below that, well, we've already had weekly closes below that. So we'll see what's going to happen with that. Maybe want to change that title to strong support or something like that, or definition point, or who knows, decision area. CAD versus the yen. Again, not a whole lot going on here. Just kind of topping out. Kind of wondering what's going to happen next. I'm sensing there's going to be a reversal in the yen soon. Might be staring at increasing interest rates in the yen. I know the bond market, the 10-year bond yields, that's the only one that's going up, is the yen right now. Pound is coming down. Dollar is around here somewhere. There it is. It's coming down. So all these bond yields are coming down with the exception of the Japanese yen. So we could see a big reversal in the yen. The yen pairs coming up pretty soon. Oil, look at oil go. Oil is starting to act like gold. Look at that. Up to 62. It's been trading down here range bound for quite a while. It's starting to break out. We'll see if it continues its breakout today. If it gets above the 200. 200-day moving average? Yep, that's 200-day moving average right there. If it gets above that, we could have an entirely different scenario as far as oil goes, with all the this stuff, bad stuff going on geopolitically. Geopolitical tensions et al. Aussie versus the dollar, right there. Again, clinging desperately to 67. And not doing a very good job of it, so we'll see if that holds on there. Again, 67 is the mark that you want to be above. Did not complete that very well right here on the closes. 67.37 was the highest it got, so we'll see how that works out. Gold. Gold is starting another run. Why not? It's 46.28. That is pretty much an all-time high. We'll see if it continues that run today. I'm expecting it to. So we'll see how that goes. Platinum. Getting another run here again as well. That asymmetrical triangle is starting to be very symmetrical and very bullish. Silver. And who doesn't love silver? 90.44. $90.45 for one of these. This is a silver dollar. It used to be a silver dollar. Now it's a silver $90 piece. What can you say? Silver's on a tear, and we don't see it coming back down because I've heard there's 3 times more paper chasing the supply that's out there. So we're gonna watch silver just continue. I'm expecting $300 silver by the end of next year. We'll see if that pans out by the end of 2027. Possibly the end of 2026. Who knows? Silver is just on a tear, and I'm loving it. Get more if you like silver. I mean, if you don't have any silver, get some. If you have some silver, you probably don't have enough. Get some more. That's my view on silver. But what's weird is that the prices at the U.S. Mint are starting to look cheap. So, hey, go to the U.S. Mint, buy some silver dollars. But at any rate, that's all I've got today. I am kind of on the sidelines today. Right now, I do have a couple of stop loss. Oh, I got a couple of positions in. Look at that. Gold is already taken off. Silver's already taken off. In that case, we will do what I do. And we will change our stop loss. We're in at 62. It's at, 86 right now. So I'll change this to 76. I think I can get away with that. Yeah. Change our stop loss to right underneath where it is now and watch it run to 91. And this is my the January my January trader account, January trading competition account, which I'm not doing very well in. As you can see right here, down. It says 1,500, really down 2,300. Judging by the equity, the balance is way down. So with that, and this is a live account too, so I'm really screwing this up. But at any rate, I should probably work on that a little bit more carefully. And I'll probably work on that a little bit more carefully in the next coming days and see if we can't get this trade to come out to the positive few $1,000. And now I can't draw off this account. If I could, I would not be going to my day job today. But I am going to my day job today. But we'll get that pretty soon. I'm now joined by Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, and on that note, it's time for me to go. So you guys have a great one. I will talk with you later. If you have any questions, again, hit the comments. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, then hit subscribe, and then you will be sent notifications on when I put out more, which is pretty much daily. So you guys have a great one. Talk to you later.